At Winton Machine, every solution is modeled to fit your requirements. Introducing the most advanced pipe bending technology in its class, the Winton RD30 CNC tube bender with programmable drill. The RD30 is a complete, precision-engineered fabrication system built for performance, reliability, and unmatched repeatability. Featuring guides, drill, and clamp die integration, and interlock tooling for perfect alignment and stability, you get the consistency that production demands. Efficient chip removal keeps your operation clean, and with programmable draw bending, you control every degree, every radius for repeatable, production-ready accuracy. An industry-standard drill chuck ensures compatibility you can count on, and the drop-away clamp speeds up loading and unloading, so your cycle times stay low and your productivity stays high. The RD30 CNC tube bender with programmable drill is built for production. That means part-to-part repeatability, quick change tooling for fast setup and minimal downtime. Programming direct from CAD files, precise, seamless, efficient. And an easy-to-program interface that makes operation intuitive. Need more capability? Add an automatic loader and unloader, and step into lights-out manufacturing. Eliminate secondary operations. Our tube benders are performance-driven. Production proven. Engineered for precision industries, HVAC, refrigeration, automotive, lighting, lawn and garden, and aerospace. Want to find out what we can do for you? Call 1-888-321-1499 today, or subscribe for more tube fabrication solutions. Got questions? Leave us a comment below. If you want to see more American-made tube fabrication videos, watch one of these additional videos.